First of all, it was a really, really nice story. It was very heartwarming, and I'm really happy the old man got some company for a few days. But the question that I want to ask you, Tanmay, is that we've seen that the guy was actually surviving there on very bare minimum basics, right? I think he didn't even have milk for the tea, and he was catching his own, stuff for lunch. So, do you think, like, are there any arrangements made to make sure that the person who's living there on the island is getting the stuff that he really needs for day-to-day life? Did you go ahead and try to know that?
How has the condition been different from the time he's there? Like, he has been almost 35 years in the job now. So, and it's quite interesting how he got the job. He got the job because his father passed away during the job. So his father was also a lighthouse attendant. So from the time he has got the job, he is there at this lighthouse and other lighthouses. So what he said is, भारत की तरक्की अगर 100 पे होती है तो हमारी तरक्की 10 पे होती है. मतलब it's that 1 to 10 का ratio, मतलब ratio है. So earlier they had to stay there for 6 months. Now they have to stay there for 15 days. Government at least understood कि हाँ इनको भी घर जाना है. So food and all, till now there is nothing which has been done over there. He has one light bulb which works for 1 hour because the solar equipment is faulty. So they are not bothering to change that solar equipment also. So that is the actual condition over there.
While talking, he breaks down, and one is very moved, but one is also a little uncomfortable because that moment of intimacy comes out of the blue, and then he himself inverts the moment and pulls you out of it, and you do know that both moments are genuine. His playing with you as well as his breaking down, and I think that was for me the reason why this film becomes, although it's visually exquisite, but I think that moment it also puts a question mark on documentary, like what are we doing when we are going and documenting people's lives and stories and have a certain idea of it, and when the subject of our story in a sense inverts what we might be expecting. I think that is the incredible moment really, and it's just one of those things you could never ever script in real life actually. So if you could even talk about how you decided to structure your film to contain that moment, because it's not an easy moment to sort of contain in any film actually.
First, when I was shooting it and he broke down, and even before, I have never liked documentaries with people crying in it. Like, I always thought, why are you showing it? And once he broke down, I was sure I am not going to use the shot. But then that change which happened, then he himself said ki dekha mera acting, and I was in tears at that moment after he said that. Before that he was crying and I was like, oh, I can't use the shot. And once he said that, and I was in tears, and you can see the shadow moving, that is me moving, and I was telling everyone don't move. There was one more person, I was telling everyone don't move, and that time I moved and I was like in tears. So that's why I kept the shot, I couldn't remove it. And the structuring is majorly the basic structuring I did. After that, the major structuring was done by Madhuri. So she, like the final edit was by her, I did the first cut.
All 4 films led us into very different terrains and just a very different rhythm. I think that's another very special thing that all 4 films, including the one without sound, actually created for us. So thank you so much. Thank you, Paulomi, for coming with the film, and thank you, Tanmay. Thank you to the audience. I just want to tell you that next Saturday we are not having a screening because it's 15th, but we are having it on the 14th at the same time, 4 p.m. And we have 3 films by a filmmaker called Raja Shabir Khan, who is a graduate of SRFTI, that's the institute in Calcutta. And he's one of the few filmmakers who is from Kashmir. And that's really the terrain or his canvas for all the 3 films. He will most likely be there, so I think it would make for a very nice conversation with him after watching the 3 films. So please do be there. All of you who have already registered with put your names in our register. Could you please re-enter them? Our mailing list has gone totally awry, and I know many people are not getting their emails. So even if you have been getting emails, please do enter your email IDs and contact details. And it should be outside. And also please do keep checking our Facebook page. Thank you so much for being there.